Live Lingua Spanish, Episode 2-3, Language and Cultural Notes. In this section, let's talk about some language and cultural notes that came up in the conversation you just heard in the previous episode. To understand a conversation in Spanish, you really need to understand not only the language, but the culture. So pay close attention to these so you don't make a fool of yourself when you try to speak Spanish. Number 1. The word for yes in Spanish is sí. You've probably heard this before, but it's worth repeating. It's pronounced like the word sí, like a body of water. The word in Spanish for no is, well, no. Said almost exactly the same as you say it in English. Number 2, número dos. Cuanto means how much. It can be used to ask for anything that's numerically measured, such as the time, cuanto tiempo, which means how much time, or money, cuanto cuesta, which means how much does it cost. Number 3, número tres. Or a, spelled he or ha, are different conjugations of the Spanish verb haber, H-A-B-E-R, which is a form of to be. In Spanish, there are 3 ways of saying to be. In this conversation, they combine it with the word vivido, which means lived. So when you say he vivido, it means I have lived. Ha vivido means he, she, or they have lived. Number 4, número cuatro. Like in the previous unit, you're going to notice how the pronoun I and you is left out of many of these sentences. Again, this is because the conjugation implies who you're talking about when you say it. Number 5, número cinco. It's very common for people to ask if you're visiting or living in a Latin American country or in Mexico, whether you like living there. Well, there's only one correct answer. The answer is always yes. We kind of went over this in the last section. When somebody asks you, how are you doing? You should only answer, I'm doing fine, because it's a formality. This question kind of falls into that category. So in general, just learn how to say, you love the country, and you should be set. Hey everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video and your Spanish is improving like mine. You can continue the Spanish course by clicking on the next episode, which is on your screen right now. If there's any topic you want me to cover in a future episode, please just leave a comment below. And finally, if you want to get additional free Spanish practice, get early access to all of our videos, and find your ideal Spanish tutor, just click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hasta pronto.